I think the moment we change our vocabulary about the situations we are going through is the moment we begin to see the shift in how things transpire and turn out in our lives. Even the Bible advises us that the power of life and death is upon the tongue, and I just want to say that we should remain positive and speak positively about the things that we go through. And if we want to see things happening and turning out in the way that we wish and we desire in our hearts, we need to start speaking in the direction of what we see in our minds, because as far as our eyes can see, so our lives will turn out. As far as our minds can think, so our lives will turn out. So instead of speaking negatively on things that we are going through, we need to start speaking positively and against what we are going through. And that is truly what has changed my life a lot and contributed a lot in how my life has actually turned out.